Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, cheesy, 4-ingredient Brussels sprouts gratin, and I'll write full blog post which I'll leave down below so you can click that to get the full recipe, which you can pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this yum recipe a try. So let me get straight into it and I'll talk you through my ingredients I've got over here. Starting with my Brussels sprouts, I've got about 500 grams, which is a bit over a pound of Brussels sprouts, which I've washed and I've cut in half, so you've got the half little Brussels sprouts here. I love how they look like little teeny cabbages, and I'm gonna smother them in sour cream and grated cheese. That is pretty much it. I have the oven on, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and we'll get on and put all of our ingredients together for our gratin. I've moved the Brussels sprouts into a baking dish, and we're going to pop over a quarter of a cup of cream, a quarter of a cup of sour cream, and a quarter of a cup of our cheese. Don't worry, we will be adding more cheese. This is just to mix through. Now it's really a matter of mixing all of our ingredients together. Make sure that all the Brussels sprouts gets coated in the cream and the cheese, and just nice and delicious. And you could of course add any other spices or herbs or bit of onion, garlic, any cheese you like. Really, the options are absolutely endless. Okay, now how much more cheese you add is totally up to you. You could add another quarter of a cup, or just go by eye. How cheesy do you want it? And just add enough cheese so you end up with a beautiful cheesy Brussels sprouts gratin. Okay, I think that is cheesy enough for me. How good does that look? Now it's going to go into our oven, which, as I said, is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Start with about 20-25 minutes and just keep a watch, because they are little Brussels sprouts. They don't need forever to cook, but you want them nice and cheesy and cook through. So I'll take a look at about 25 minutes and let's see how they go. So there you go, it's out the oven. Look how beautiful and cheesy and crispy the beautiful Brussels sprouts gratin looks. Now this makes a beautiful keto vegetarian dinner, or you can serve it as a side with a big feast for Thanksgiving or Christmas. It just is so versatile and yum, I just love it. Can't wait to tuck into it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this recipe a try, and remember to check down below for a link to the blog post where there's all the information you need to pin, bookmark, save to make this easy recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!